everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was just sitting here and I was just reflecting, y'all, on the last 3 weeks of my life. Stuff has gotten real. I said I want to move. I went to go look at a new place. I loved the place. I applied for the place. I was a little conflicted on if I should move or not. And I did the application. I got approved. And now we're here. We're in the new place. So looking on YouTube, looking at the engagement, you all are enjoying these moving vlogs. So never mind the schedule. Never mind everything that I have going on. I'm going to give y'all what y'all like to see. So we back. We back with another moving vlog. So thank you for clicking on this video. It's basically gonna be like the last video I just posted. I packed my kitchen. We're about to do the same in my room. So I'm gonna show y'all the little situation we got going on, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So let's get to this video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
No. What is this? What is this? So we need to come up with a plan. I did just order something off of Amazon for my shoes. That will be here tomorrow. So I'll give y'all an update on how that little situation will work out. I bought this little thing from Big Lots for all my bras, panties, and socks. I got too many bras, panties, and socks. And I went through so many already and threw them out, and it's still full. So I got all of these clothes that I'm gonna give away, and I'm gonna go ahead and put those inside of here, and then I'm gonna start folding some stuff, go through this stuff one more time. I tried to divide it based off of like what it is, so it is separated. It just still like a hot mess. Y'all, believe it or not, I just went through these shoes and I gave a bunch away, and I still got this many. It's just ridiculous. I'm about to go through them again though, and we're about to do yes and no, because this is ridiculous. No one needs this many pairs of shoes. I went ahead and I finished everything. So remember the before. I'll do a side by side for y'all. Remember, this is after all the clothes are away, and this is the closet. Remember before, I had stuff everywhere, and this is what we're looking like. So this is very temporary. Just needed to get things out of boxes and organized. So I want to come up with a plan for this closet. This I foresee being a hot mess. Like, clothes will eventually be on the floor, so I want to buy like some storage containers that I can possibly put up there. I don't have. Once we go through the shoes, we'll add on to this video, but that's it for today. I'll catch y'all in part 2. Well, hello there, guys. So hello my friends, it is 2 days since the last time I talked to you all. Hasn't much changed at all, but we did get a package. We got our package, and it is huge. So the thing that I bought looks like this, and this is what we're going to put our shoes in. These shoes still look like this. Our goal is to get rid of, y'all, I want to get rid of at least 10 to 12 pairs of shoes. So let's go through these right now and find 10 to 12 pairs of shoes that we can give away. All right, y'all, so we did that. This is all of the shoes we're keeping. I had every shoe except for my one UGG black boot. I have no idea where that can be. These are the shoes I decided to get rid of. So let's count these and see if I met my goal. I think I did though, y'all. What y'all think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did that, y'all. I got rid of 17 pairs of shoes. Reporting live from my closet. I'm so funny. All right, y'all, let's see what this thing is about. Hopefully the material is okay. And all of these. So, out the hole. I know you did, baby. I know you did. Okay, I'm just playing. I'm playing, y'all. Let me be serious. I move that stuff right there for now, and then this is that. Pretty sturdy. It's just up there with some hooks. All right, let's put some shoes in here. I'll just show y'all the final product because at this point this video is longer than it needs to be for what. For what? So I'll go grab the shoes and I'll be back. Okay, friends, so this is what this turned out to be with the shoes. Every slot is filled. I did just put these on, so those are what was right there. And then down here I just have probably like 5 pair of shoes. They're just really big and bulky, so they wouldn't fit in these things, but I do want to get some more storage space as well too. So I have to head to work now, so I have to close out this video, but I hope that you all enjoy. There's music playing in the back, so I have to end this really fast. I'll catch you all in the next one. Make sure you comment down below your thoughts on this video. Do you enjoy this type of content? Let me know. Yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. I'm Chaz, signing out. Peace. Thanks for the continued support, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.